woman. Looking so pretty. Oh. Hi, mommy. Looking so beautiful. Who forgave you? Forgiven by Christ.
Okay, I have to know where he stands.
Pascal. Hi. Good to be home. Good to be back home. Hi guys. So I just got home. Well, I just got to my home in Asaba. I'm happy to be back home. Not happy, of course, based on circumstances, but I'm happy to be back home. You guys saw my mom, my dad. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention I traveled with my auntie, my mom's sister. She came in from the US just yesterday, so we were on the same flight to Asaba today. Can we talk about how close Asaba is to Abuja by air? Like, before I was even able to settle into my seat, they said get ready for landing. I'm like, wait, what? It's about 20-25 minutes flight, so thank God for that, because I know that by road it's it's very far. So thank God for that. But anyways, we'll be leaving the house now. It wasn't a long flight or a stressful flight, so we're not like tired or anything. But I need to go to my grandfather's house where my auntie, who we are burying, was living before she passed. I'm going to go there very soon. The entire burial activities begin tomorrow, which is Thursday. But yeah, people are still coming in today and all that. Melba is not here yet, but I'm sure by the time I get back she'll be here. And yeah guys, that's that. Auntie Sue, shopping's already going on. Okay now, the Asaba way. She forgot. Too much is on her head. Too much is on her head. Oh my God. You know now, that's the way now. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Madam. Pascal. Sister's here, guys. My sister's here.
In spite of our big loss, you know, but at least we believe now ourselves. So if we go from you know, whatever work and then moving. I can join the work. Yeah, but not just that we see.
Oh, big mama in the house.
My big mama in the house. I feel her absence so much now that I'm here.
When my dad drove in and I saw this poster, it
just dawned on us that, oh my God,
our grandma don't go.
Ah man, my big mama, I miss her die. By now she was just the should have been in her elements by now. Oh, is that Uncle Egbert's grave, guys? You guys recall my uncle that died January 2021, right? I can't believe I saw him right there, somewhere around there. The last time we spoke, we hugged. I can't believe that I'm seeing him now, and this is where I'm seeing him. Like, this is, I can't. Amen. I'm just. Hey! Before here they bubble now. Here go they bubble before now. Different cars parked.
You see men now.
You will see, they will sit down outside. Hey! Jesus. See as everybody just did charcoal. Everybody don't forget Uncle Egbert. Uncle Egbert that was running since here. My grandfather, my mom's dad.
Papa Lolo.
I know. 1997 was when he passed. His grave is still here. Still doing great. His grave still looks really good. After how many years? This shit is getting real, man. It's crazy. Ah, Uncle Egbert. Hi, Jesus Christ. Mommy that used to walk around here every day. So last now here mommy go there now. Hi guys. Wow. So this is where Big Mommy is going to be laid.
Mama.
Can't believe this. I'm just.
These are their aunties.
Yeah, their aunties. Like donkey years ago.
Where is Rose? Rose is
in Abuja.
I miss her. She will miss you again for the next how many days.
May she miss. She go there alright. She's always alright. We are going to see the Rainmakers. Yes, Rainmakers is a thing here in Asaba. If you are planning any major events in Asaba, they will always advise you go and see the Rainmakers so that the rain will not fall on your event day. So it's just a thing that they do here. You know, we're going to go and see the Rainmakers. Apparently they are twins, two women who have been doing this for years. So let's go and see the Rainmakers, guys. Okay.
Okay. So what does that mean? Okay. That's right. That's right. Okay. Only worth 5,000 without. Okay. Saturday. My mom's sister.
Aww.
And she's a twin.
She is.
She's
wow.
a twin. Both of them are the Rainmakers.
Yeah, the Rainmakers. Wow.
They are very identical.
Wow. One from the other. Wow. Thank you, ma.
Hold the rain, or how do you do it?
It's God that holds the rain. Yes, they acknowledge God. Yes.
Acknowledge God. That's
Yes.
the most important.
Yes.
The power was given to them
By God. Nice, nice. It's my grandma's grave. My mom's grave.
Much later.
Guys, so we are back home. I just literally opened my box now to bring out some stuff and everything. So yeah, we'll be going out in about another 2 hours. So we're having more like a family prayer thing this evening at my grandfather's place where I was earlier. So oh guys, my neck now wow. So I really just want to take a shower because I haven't had a shower since I got in. Take a shower, just feel refreshed and all that. And yeah, that's the plan. You guys have seen my sister. I really missed her. Like I really missed her, and I'm happy that she's here right now. So we'll just get refreshed. I don't know if I'm going to vlog the activity of tonight, like the family prayer thing. I'm really not sure if I would vlog, to be honest. If it's something that I need to vlog, I'll show you guys. If not, I'll see you guys definitely maybe tomorrow morning or something. But yeah, it was quite a productive day. You guys saw us going to see the Rainmakers. It's a thing here where if you are planning an event, it's just part of culture and tradition. You just can't see the Rainmakers. You pay a particular amount of money for them to hold the rain. Well, technically, from what I understood today, for them to agree with God to hold the rain so that your event can go smoothly and all of that. Well, it's left for you to believe it, because I'm sure there are people who are watching who are like, what's that? To each his own belief. But I feel like different cultures and different traditions, and I feel like it's not only an Asaba culture. I feel like other parts of Nigeria, they are Rainmakers as well. So yeah, it was just super enlightening and super intriguing because I got to meet the lady. She is actually a twin, so the thing was passed down to her and her identical twin sister by their parents. So they've been doing this for years, is what they do. And it was just super intriguing to know and super enlightening. And she was so pleasant with all the hugs and everything. She's actually like almost related to my mom, so almost like the same family, so to speak. When my mom even asked her if she would be there for the church funeral mass and the traditional one on Saturday, she was like, no, she can't be there because she has to be behind the scenes working to hold the rain and all that. I'm just like, wow, that's crazy. But anyway, guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. I'm tired, man, but today is not over yet. Let me just go and take a shower, and if I do need to vlog again, you would see it in the next vlog, hopefully. So yeah, all right guys, this is like my day one in Asaba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.